Sagot ang musika Vivi Talents. I'm LC from Ilocos Sur, and this will be my semi-final round entry, and I hope you like it. Funny how a lonely day can make a person say, what good is my life? Funny how a breaking heart can make me start to say, what good is my life? Funny how I often seem to think I'll never find another dream in my life, till I look around and see this great big world is part of me and my life. This is my life. Today, tomorrow, love will come and find me. But that's the world that I was born to be. This is me. This is me. This is my life, and I don't give a damn for lost emotions. I've such a lot of love I've got to give. Let me live, let me live. Sometimes when I feel afraid, I think of what a mess I've made of my life, crying over my mistakes, forgetting all the breaks I've had in my life. I was put on earth to be a part of this great world as me.